They said we were free. But freedom was never the finish line. Freedom didn't come with rest. It came with residue. The trauma of chains that we still feel in our bones. Some ran. Some hid. Some stood still because stillness was the safest form of survival. The news of emancipation took years to reach some of our people and generations to sink in. So I say it clearly. Freedom was not the end. It was the beginning of our spiritual work. The soil still held the screams. The trees still held the scent of blood. We inherited the task of healing what freedom couldn't fix. We are the altars they built with their footsteps. We are the legacy that refused to die. And every time we speak their names, every time we pour water, or light a flame, or touch land with bare hands, we run another lap in their honor. Because freedom was never a finish line. It was the start of our return. Ashe. You didn't find us by accident. The ancestors stirred, and the flame rose. If this message reaches your spirit, don't just watch, walk the path. Subscribe for ancestral truths, whispered wisdom, and sacred fire. Drop a comment below. Let me know what your spirit needed to hear today, and share this with someone who's ready to remember. I'm daughter of the ancestors, and together we walk in power.